Have you ever thought to yourself, why am I not rich yet? You clock in extra hours, save money, and dip your toes into investing. Yet real wealth seems like a distant dream. Is it just bad luck? Maybe it's the economy. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the real reasons you haven't achieved millionaire status yet. And trust me, it's likely not what you think. We'll explore hidden traps and critical mindset shifts that only the wealthy know. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a clear roadmap to accumulating wealth. And wait for it. There's a game-changing secret you've probably never considered. So, if you're ready to drop that complain book and start winning, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us until the very end. All right, let's keep it moving. Number 1. That is your most valuable asset, time. Let's take a moment to talk about how well you spend your time. If you've ever wondered why wealth feels out of reach, ask yourself, how am I truly spending my time? Here's the hard truth. Wealthy individuals treat their time like the treasure it is. They guard it fiercely, maximize it, and leverage it as a powerful tool for growth. Instead of wasting hours scrolling through social media or binge-watching shows, the wealthy are making every second count. You might be just one deliberate shift away from the life you desire. So ask yourself, are you investing more time complaining about your circumstances than seeking solutions to transform them? Here's a quick tip. Start tracking your time. Identify where it's being wasted, cut out distractions, and practice saying no to unimportant things. As you do this, watch your life begin to align with the vision you've always had for yourself. So I ask you, are you ready to take control of your time, or will you continue to let it slip away? Number 2. Lack of focus. Let's be honest, staying focused, especially during challenging times, can feel like an uphill battle. You've got big dreams, and you're working hard towards them. Yet, despite your efforts, you might find yourself falling short. And what happens next? Too often, people either give up or allow distractions to take over. Think about it. How often have you started something and left it because things got tough? Maybe it was a business venture, or perhaps your savings derailed due to unexpected expenses. Challenges are a part of the journey. They're not signs to give up. In fact, they're tests to see just how committed you are to your goals. If you struggle to maintain focus, here's a simple yet effective tip. Seek out those who have walked the path you aspire to follow. Learn from their experiences, delve into their successes and failures, and surround yourself with their mindsets. Why? Because humans are wired to believe what they can see. Remember, the successful are the ones who refuse to lose sight of their dreams, no matter the obstacles. Now, moving on to the next reason why you aren't a millionaire yet. Number 3. You don't trust yourself. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest reasons you're not a millionaire yet. You simply don't believe you can be one. Sounds daunting, right? But take some time to think about it. How often do you doubt yourself? You say things like, people like me don't actually become wealthy, and you give believable reasons to back that up. When you convince yourself that wealth is reserved for an exclusive few, you effectively turn off the drive to pursue your dreams. Playing it safe might feel comfortable, but guess what? No one has ever achieved true wealth by staying in their comfort zone. As time passes, you might find yourself stuck in the same situation simply because of that limiting belief. The truth is, the successful individuals you admire aren't too different from you. The only distinguishing factor is their belief in themselves and their willingness to act. Here's what you can do. Start today. Dive into books, listen to empowering podcasts, and follow those who have built their success from the ground up. But most importantly, take action. So tell me, will you keep convincing yourself that financial stability is only for a selected few, or will you start taking productive actions today? Number 4, you don't have the proper financial education. Have you ever paused to consider your financial habits? When was the last time you actually sat down to track your money or create a solid budget? If you spend your paycheck at lightning speed, leaving your bank account empty at the end of the month, you're not alone. But guess what? You can break that cycle. The issue often lies not in how much money you make, but in how you manage it. Many of us have never been given the proper financial education, something that's shockingly overlooked in our school systems. Think about the truly wealthy. They don't indulge in every luxury just because they can. Instead, they invest intelligently and live below their means. They understand the power of reinvesting their income, allowing their money to work while they sleep. On the flip side, many people spend their hard-earned cash trying to appear wealthy instead of building a stable future. So, what can you start doing today? It's simple. Begin tracking every dollar. Set clear financial goals and commit to sticking to them. Make it a rule to think twice before splurging. Shift your focus from looking rich to actually becoming rich. Now, pay close attention for our last advice for today. Ultimate rebel reason. Your overall mindset. This is where the magic happens. Your mindset is the most crucial factor for separating you from the wealth you desire. If you approach your finances with the wrong mentality, reaching your goals will feel like climbing an endless mountain. Here's the truth. The wealthy think differently. Instead of prioritizing bills and expenses, they invest first and only spend what remains. Money isn't just currency. It's a tool that can help you retire early and live the life you desire. Drop it all and ask yourself this: do I really not make enough, or is something wrong with my management? Here's a little tip to take home with you. Change your mindset, adopt the habits of the wealthy, and train yourself to think like a millionaire, because at the end of the day, your thoughts can shape your reality. Before I go, let me ask you this. If you lost every dollar you ever worked for today, would your mindset be able to bring you back up, or would you retire to blaming the world for all your bad luck? Think about it. Also, if this video made you rethink your approach to wealth, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? If your goal is to achieve financial independence before turning 30, hit that subscribe button as we bring you actionable tips every Sunday to guide you on your journey to wealth. All right, I'll see you in the next video.